The question says simplify. We have variables x, okay, in a radical exponents. So how do we simplify this solution? So from here we have x is power 5, is power root 5, x is power root 5 times x is power root 20, okay, everything is power root 2. So let us concentrate within the parentheses. We have x raised to power root 5 times x raised to power root 20. So what do we do to have the same roots? Okay, this root 5, this root 20. So we can express root 20 in a solid form. So, okay, so the two roots, the two factor of 20, we have 2 times 10, okay, we have 4 times 5 to be 20, but we cannot use this because we can't find the square root of any of the number, but we can look for the square root of 4, okay, so we go with this, so we have 4 times 5, okay, so which implies root 4 is 2, okay, so we have 2 root 5. So for 20, I write it as 2 root 5. So here I have x root 5 times x, okay, 2 root 5. So they are the same roots, they are the same base. So do not forget, we have our parentheses, we have our exponents, which is root 2. So we are still solving. Here we have law of indices, the same base, okay, when you are multiplying the same base, you pick out 1, okay, you add up the power, so you have root 5 plus 2 root 5, okay, everything is power root 2, okay, so here we have x, here we have root 5 plus 2 root 5, that is 3 root 5, okay, is power root 2. So at this point, we can apply the exponent law. So which is we have a is power n is power m. So the law says we should multiply the power together. So when we apply this to this, we have x is to power 3 root 5, that is root 2. Okay. So when we multiply this, we have x is to power 3 root 10. So this is the result of this. The question says simplify radical power. Okay, so how do we solution? So we have x is power root 3 times y is power root 12. Okay, everything is power 27. So we can write this radical, having the same radical. So for root 12, okay, so 2 factors of 12, then we can easily find the factor of 1, which is 4. So here we have 2, 3. And for 27, we can use 9 and 3, okay, so we can easily find the factor of 9, the square root of 9, sorry, so we have 3 root 3. So let us write this as x is power root 3 times y. So for root 12, we have it as 2 root 3, okay, everything is power. For 27, we have it as 3 root 3, okay. So from here we have x equals 3, okay. When you apply the exponent law, this will multiply this, okay, this will multiply this. So for x root 3 times 3 root 3, okay, times y 2 root 3, okay, sorry, we have it as this, times, here we have this as 3 root 3, okay. So we have this as x into 3 times root 3 times root 3, okay, times y, okay, into 2 times 3 times root 3 times root 3, okay. So multiplying the same roots gives 1. So root 3 times root 3, we pick out 1 to represent that, times 3, okay, these are our base as x, times y, 2 times 3 is 6, 6 times So 3 times 3, you pick out 1. Okay, so here we have x. For 3 times 3 is 9 times y. 6 times 3 is 18. So we have x is to power 9, y is to power